This is Mike, a student. Because of this pandemic, most of the schools are taking online classes. Mike is also taking online classes. But last week his Android device became unresponsive. He could not find out the proper cause for it. Without wasting time, his mom looked for a reliable and fast Android repair service provider. She came to know about iTech Xpress, a reputable service provider. She visited their website https://ichexpressinc.com/ and got to know about many things. iTech Xpress has its own stock of genuine device parts and offers a quick repair service. They take completely affordable charges and they have trained technicians. They also offer a specific guarantee on the repaired items. She soon contacted iTech Xpress and explained the issue. Their expert technicians detect the cause very fast and fixed it soon. Mike got back his device within few days. Do you also have issues on your Android device? Contact iTech Xpress at 626-777-4747. You can also browse their website as mentioned earlier.